Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? February 7th, 2021, coming to you from the bunker. I want to give a shout out to two people in this video. Sherry contacted me on Twitter, and I want to give a shout out. Oh, I'm just a little bit embarrassed. I want to give a shout out to Joe and Sherry. Apparently, I learned this evening that Sharpies and whiteboards do not go together. Who knew? I never got the memo. So Sherry, thank you. And I'm sure Joe is going to make a wonderful husband. And yeah, so I've had these Sharpies, and Mrs. Crypto Mentor, little known fact, Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 is an artist. And I probably would have used these wonderful Sharpies that I bought on the whiteboard, but I have been inundated with emails, this beautiful tweet from Sherry and Joe. Well, Sherry tweeted it, Joe liked it. And where was I going with that? Oh yeah, I've been getting emails, comments in the section. You guys are good listeners. Why am I blushing? Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, Sherry Lander, and your fiance, Joe, I promise I will not use Sharpies on the whiteboard. That said, because you're a teacher, Mrs. or Miss Lander, could you make a recommendation on what markers would be good for a whiteboard? I'm asking for a friend. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, I learn all sorts of things from you guys. Love y'all. Bye-bye.